Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitch Sabache, and I am a accredited seller of DMC Home. So today, tara samahan nyo ko at i-update ko kayo sa construction ni Mulberry Place Phase 2. Okay po. Hello, so kumusta po kayo? So ito right now, nandito ako kay Mulberry Place. Okay, this is the Phase 1. So i-update ko sa inyo sa Phase 2 construction natin na katabi niya. So but first ko, before ko kayo update, I'll just show you around kung ano na itsura nitong ni Phase 1. So this is the Phase 1. This is its first amenity core. So nandito yung lap pool na, yung lounge pool natin. Pero yung kiddie pool natin is current under construction doon sa kabilang side sa Phase 2. So for Phase 1, we have 4 mid-rise building dito. We're offering a 2-bedroom unit and a 3-bedroom unit. So same then as sa Phase 2. Okay, so currently as of August, okay, 2025, nasa 25% completion na tayo. So ang kagandahan nito, mas lalaki yung amenity area ni Mulberry Place. Sana pakita ko sa inyo yung Phase 1 na amenity area natin. So this is the lounge pool. Okay, and here you can see yung ating clubhouse. So, same kasi ito ng mga first developments natin na meron tayong centralized clubhouse, okay, para sa mga mid-rise projects natin. Pero dito, kay Mulberry Place Phase 2, meron tayong dalawang mid-rise, okay? So, yung bagong building natin, which is si Zephyr, and then si Tafeta, yung another 18 floors natin. So this is the clubhouse, and then dito ipapakita ko sa inyo yung current construction update niya. Okay, so dito makikita natin, this is ito yung unang dalawang building natin, si Shantung and si Paisley. So this is Paisley building. So nakikita ninyo, this is the mid-rise, okay, na development natin. And then katabi niya, on the other side, si Paisley building. Okay? So currently, very limited na lang ang inventory natin kay Shantung. Pero dito po kay Paisley, wala na tayong available dyan. Konti na lang din. So this is the lap pool. So the part 2 of the phase of the amenities is ongoing construction, will be constructed doon sa other side. So once na mag-turn over nung the last building hanggang in 3 years time. So after 2028, August 2028 ang turnover niya. So ayun, makokompleto na si Mulberry Place, okay? So Phase 1 and si Phase 2. So currently, we just launched the last 2 buildings, okay? And meron tayong ongoing promo para doon sa dalawang building na yon. So the first promo natin is yung 12% in payable siya in down payment in construction period. So that's within 36 months. And then the second option natin is hanggang 50 months, okay? Pero doon sa 50 mo, doon sa if you will choose the standard turnover, meron tayong additional na 5% discount. So yun yung kagandahan sa promo natin, sa promo launch natin for this Phase 2 sa dalawang building na to, okay? So that's it. So that's my construction update for Mulberry Place Phase 2. So if you want to know more about this project, nandiyan yung numbers ko naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Pwede tayo mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom, or pwede tayo mag-schedule ng side viewing. So pwede ko kayong dalhin dito sa napakagandang project na si Mulberry Place. Okay? So again, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, ma-notify kayo. So thank you po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.